Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this video, I'll be making some yummy Surti Papdi Lilva that can be enjoyed with jowar or whole wheat rotis. Let's get started, but be sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Surti Papdi Lilva packet from frozen section. I buy it from Indian store and I prefer to use Deep brand over Vadilal. I have heard people saying, oh, the frozen Lilva packet doesn't taste good or the color doesn't come out green enough. The beans turns out brownish. Well, in this video, I am going to show you the perfect way to pressure cook Surti Papdi Lilva without compromising the taste or the color. Empty out this Lilva packet into a large bowl to thoroughly rinse it with water. And I do try to clean it by picking out the bad ones before I cook them. To season these Lilva, I have 1.5 teaspoon of grated green chilies, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of turmeric powder. About half cup of chopped cilantro, half teaspoon of carom seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of crushed peanuts, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of kharo, which is alkaline salt. You can totally use Instant Pot to cook Lilva, but I'm gonna go old school with using regular pressure cooker this time. On a medium flame, add 1 cup of water in the pressure cooker, 1/4 teaspoon of kharo, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and also just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let the water come to a boil, then add Lilva. Let this come to a boil again and then close the lid to pressure cook it till about 8 whistles. If you're using Instant Pot, cook it on manual mode on high pressure for 9 minutes. After 8 whistles, turn off the flame and immediately release the air from the pressure cooker and open the lid. These Lilva are nicely cooked and now it's time to season. Add carom seeds, crushed peanuts, sesame seeds, sugar, salt, and green chilies, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Don't forget the cilantro. To this, add about 3.5 teaspoon of vegetable oil. You can also add garlic if you want. It's totally your preference. Now turn on the flame to low heat. I'll add about 1/4 cup of water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. See, it didn't change the color from green to brownish. Surti Papdi Lilva is done and ready to be served with hot rotis. My mom and my grandma used to mix crushed papdi and leftover whole wheat rotis with a gallop of these yummy Lilva for me when I was a child. And I used to enjoy it a lot. Hope you like this recipe. And don't forget to leave a comment down below for any suggestions you have. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe video and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.